Hello! So, 15-minute den decorating for Christmas. And by the way, the Jammy calendar started, right? It says that you get a backpack, but when it goes in your inventory, it actually turns into a jacket. It's meant to be, I don't know if I have one, but I don't have one. But it's meant to be a backpack, a Jammy Day one, but it turns into that. That's the first gift. Okay, this den is all empty yet. Okay, I forgot how to empty it. Right, here we go. So, I'm going to start outside. So I always do my little thing here. The fire. I don't think that is the fire I use though, is it? No, it's not. It's this one, the Christmas one. It's pretty cool. Okay, 15 minutes to do this. Log. This is like a really cozy little area. What do you call them decorations? Like streamers, but they're not. They're like, you like them, but Christmas ones. Maybe they're in store. Christmas. Yeah, these. Yeah, that. Yeah. Give me 4. Give me 2 of those. I'll see how big they are. Oh, they're called strands. What's that one called? A streamer. What else is Christmas? Alright. Make it all pretty. Oop, ambulance. Sound good. Okay, there we go. That's pretty. Okay, now let's run inside. Run! Have we got like some sort of candy cane? Oops. It's not how you spell candy cane. Oh, like an arch or something? I guess not. Oh, that's tiny. I thought that was the giant one. Okay, I might put a candy bus out here. I need a window. Window. Chuck you. This house isn't very big, is it? I thought it was bigger. I'll chuck you there for now. We need a Santa seat. Put that there. Chuck it there for a minute. I need a tree. I wonder if it's called a pine tree. They're called pine trees here. Pine. Nope. Okay. What are they called? Tree, I guess. Over Christmas, I'm gonna be Santa, and I'll be sitting in my den, and I'll be giving random presents away. So if you see me on, and I'm sitting on this chair dressed as Santa, I'm giving presents away. Should I make this my present room here? Make this. No. Ah, seriously? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna make. This is gonna be my present room. But I think I should have this up here. So like, yeah, and then I'll put like all the presents that people can get on the floor down here. Yeah, that's good. So like, gift boxes and stockings we need to put out. Decorate. That can go there. It needs to go here. Of course. It's got to rain presents. It can go rain. Should it rain there? I feel it should rain there. Okay. Oh, I need my reindeers. Pet reindeers. For Santa's sleigh. Where's the pets? It's probably gonna be faster to buy a reindeer. Oh, they might not even be out though. Oh, let's have a quick look. There's one, here we go. Look at that. Rudolph's at the front. Oh, we've got 2 Rudolphs. But, okay. 2 Rudolphs at the front. And let's see if you have a partner. Unless, how did I pass one? Yeah, it's a bear. Okay, one more. Come on. Where are you? Yay. Okay, now back to here. See if we can use connected. Right. Sweet. Yep. 2 more. That worked out well. Except you up here. Hang on. Popcorn on his face. Whoops. Can't go behind. Oh, why can't it go behind? I can't get that. Oh. Can I get the deer? There we go. Okay. Just like that. That's just really weird. Okay. This one. Here. Oh no. Oh, not again. Oh no! You just go there. I'll just sort this out. Okay. There you go there. Now we can do that one. Wish just Popcorn would hide. There we go. Okay, Santa's sleigh. Okay, now we need stockings. Stockings. Okay. I'm gonna hang these up around the chair. Put one there. Oh, actually, I feel like we need a fireplace. Let's rip all these out. I knew there was a giant one somewhere. I feel like that should have been there, but now the sleigh is there. Right there. Okay. Little one. Chuck that there, just to look random. What did I say? A fireplace. Fire. Don't think there's a Christmas one except for that. Which will do. You go over there for a minute. You two. I feel this fire needs to go here. It just feels better there. Okay. So burn down my tree. Oh no, I already got the stockings out, didn't I? Oh, they're huge. For the fire. That will do. Oh. Put it back there. What else is there? There's toys, maybe? Toy? Totally go in here. Candy canes, like, I wonder if they're called candy canes. I already did that though. Would it be like canes? Yo. I need a table. A table. A table. A nice little table. I think that's what it's missing actually. A table. Such a big old... Just because it's in the walkway. I don't like it. Like, I want the table there but not huge. Just a nice little side table. Guess I go with that. Oh, yep. Of course. Green, that's Christmassy. That. Yes. Yes. Oh, that would have been too big actually. Okay, now. We're missing like a rug. I'm always missing rugs. Rugs. Do I have a Christmas rug? It could be like a Christmas staff, just in case I don't have one. Christmas staff. Dude, I haven't even decorated my Christmas tree. Is there no such thing as a Christmas rug? I know these, but... Look like snow. Okay, no Christmas rug. Christmas music. Okay. And I wonder if I should plug the walls or not. I don't know. Just gotta remember what they were, okay? Ooh. Ooh. Gingerbread house. Oh. What that does. Obviously. What does that do? Cool, like icing. Ooh, that's candy cane? I mean, those licoricey things. Ooh. Oh, I don't know now. What does that do? That? Well, that's cool. Kind of like that. Do that. Ooh. What's that one? Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Oh no.